Welcome to Anaira Fun Learning. Fruits, Mommy.
No, Anaira, before you eat, you have to wash your hands.
Okay, Mommy.
Wash, wash, wash your hands before we eat our food. Soap and water, scrub, scrub, scrub. Now we're feeling good. Clean hands, ready now to eat. Clean hands, yummy, yummy treat. Rub the front and rub the back. Rub between your fingers. Round and up and down. Clean germs, no more linger. Clean hands, ready now to eat. Clean hands, yummy, yummy treat. Rinse, rinse, rinse with water. Splash and splash away. Shake, shake, dry your hands. Now it's time to say, clean hands.